Hello, Dr. Emil.
Hello.
Nice meeting you. Thanks for visiting India. This is the second or third time, I believe. And thanks
Fourth time.
Fourth time. Yeah, it's really amazing. Thanks for talking to Neo Science Hub. We have read all about Spinchem's rotating bed reactor, and we have been representing Spinchem for last 6-7 years now. So, how do you envision Spinchem's technology with respect to pharmaceutical industry in India, which is going and trying to adapt to Spinchem technology and also going for more greener and other solutions?
I think with our technology we can elaborate and make it possible. We have a vehicle to make it possible for new technologies to be deployed in the Indian pharmaceutical industry. And especially I think this time it's been really interesting to see that more and more questions is around using biocatalysis and immobilized enzymes as a means of getting more pure and more reliable, safer products in the API industry. So I think that's a perfect way of utilizing new technology, and that's what we're looking for.
Very nice. So you have seen that several top Indian pharmaceutical companies are adopting Spinchem's rotating bed reactor technology. So they take trials in their R&D, then they want to scale it up. So what are the challenges you are facing, or what are the precautions we have to take there, and how do you want to overcome those challenges from lab scale to plant level?
Like all type of things where you have to change the mindset, that's a challenge. And with the rotated bed reactor technology, you have to twist the mindset in a way that understand that everything is more or less possible. And how to scale it up is taking care of all different type of parameters in the process, not only the yield and the maximum efficiency. It's also about the downstream processing. It's also about the other steps that you have to take into account, and then the overall process will be a much more suitable application or process. What you also need to keep in mind is that you will always face challenges in bringing new technology in. And that's why we are here to help you to overcome those challenges.
Very nice. So we saw that collaboration and innovation are the key themes for Indo-Swiss partnership. So you have come this trip as focus on Asia SME trip basically. So how do you find these emerging markets adapting new technology, and what are the strategies you want to take this step forward and build a very strong future for the technology and also the users as well?
I think it's been a great learning from the different IIT institutes in Delhi and in Mumbai, and also the 7 years of experience coming here to India. And I've seen a great shift now in the willingness to adapt new technology. And it's not only about focusing on the cheapest products, it's also about the best products, or the products with most potential of being used in many different applications. So during this trip we have also learned a lot about the Indian culture and the difference between Sweden and India. And we had Swedish companies in India since 1903, when SKF was the first company establishing in India, and now it's more than 280 companies with its own Indian entity. And we hope to become the next one in a couple of years and increase the collaboration between Sweden and India.
That's so nice. You have seen that Indian pharmaceutical industry is investing a lot in R&D. There are huge R&Ds, expansion is going on in India. So how do you find the opportunities? And also for the startups companies also, where do you see the opportunities and how do you take it forward?
it's a lot of new ideas, a lot of new potential, everything from carbon dioxide capture into new wastewater treatment plants and new technologies in pharma industry or in textile industry and so on. And everything we do is about the rotating bed reactor, and that's why we team up with Smart Lab Tech as an example, and to get the feet on the ground to find the leads, and then how we develop the potential leads into prospects and into real customers. And when companies buy the first product, that's the start of a lifelong collaboration, because we would like to be part of the journey from lab scale all the way to full scale production, and not only for one product. It should be for one process, two process, three process, and a lot of different possibilities.
I see, very nice. So what message you want to pass it on to Smart Lab Tech team, who is vigorously trying for Spinchem technology, pushing the product, marketing it and sales? What message you would like to convey to Smart Lab Tech team, the energetic, high energy team?
All is about understanding the real needs of a customer, and we are a solution provider. We solve problems, and we are here to help and doing the world a better place.
Thank you very much for talking to Neuroscience Hub, and keep coming to India. And yes, we appreciate your good gesture of visiting India and also accepting our invitation for this small interview at a short notice. Thanks very much.
Thank you.